Hello students, now in this session of video we will discuss class 5 science and we have chapter number 4 unit 3rd human body and its need. Clear? So in this unit we will discuss human body and the body needs. So first of all we have a main organ system of human body. So first you have earlier learned about some of the important organs inside your body. You have read about your bones, your heart, lungs, your stomach and their work. So what in earlier you have you know about them, your bones, your heart, lungs, stomach and their work. Now today we will discuss the main organ system and their work. So picture showing the system of your body, their function given below. So first of all we start from the top. So this is our head. In this head we have a nervous system. The nervous system help us to do a number of things including thinking, feeling, smelling, tasting, seeing. So the activity done by the nervous systems are thinking, feeling, smelling, tasting and seeing. Clear? Brain, spinal cord and nervous system are the main organ of this system. So brain, spinal cord, this is spinal cord is attached to the brain and a nervous system. So this nervous, the small part of this nervous system are main organ of the system. Now next we move just below of that we have circulatory system. In the circulatory system we have responsible for transporting nutrients and other substance to different part of the body. So this is circulatory system. In this circulatory system we have lungs, blood vessels. Clear? So what is the work of this is the part of circulatory system which is attached to heart also. Clear? So the circulatory system is responsible for transporting nutrients and other substance to the different part of the body. So it is also containing heart. Heart collect the pure blood and also transport this blood to all the part of the body. We know that the blood containing the nutrients, oxygen and it is the responsibility of a heart to provide all those things to the whole part of the body. Blood vessels are the main organs of the system. Okay, blood can throw the pure blood to all part of the body by blood vessels. Clear? Okay, now next we move just below of that one we have a respiratory system. Beyond that one, respiratory system is responsible for respiration. In respiration we will take oxygen and respire carbon dioxide. So the responsibility of this respiratory system is that to give us pure oxygen. Clear? So the main part of this respiratory system is that lungs. So we have already discussed in this previous chapter that in human being the lungs is a organ which is supply oxygen to the body. Clear? And we have already discussed that other animals also respire with their different organs. So in human being lungs is a respiratory organ. Okay, after that we have to reach the next is digestive system. So digestive system is very important part of our body. Clear? So you eat something and you will see that you will get energy from that one. So this digestive system is responsible for to inhale food, to digest that food and collect some important nutrients. Clear? So digestive system break down food. We eat into small substances. So when you eat food, food can be only be used by the body after digestion. So we take food, we eat that food, and after that the eating food is digested. Then digested food we collect the some important minerals, nutritions, fat from that food. Clear? So the important part of these: teeth, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, these are the main organs, and also the tongue, the saliva producing. Clear? After that we have to move, next is this muscular system. Muscular system help in movement. Muscles are the main organ of systems. So the muscular system is that one, outer one. These are the muscles we have, and that is help us to movement. Clear? Next is that we have skeleton system, given shape of our body and help us to movement. So skeleton system giving shape of our body and help us to move. Bones are the main organ of the skeleton system. So our body is made by the skeletons. You have seen that, just like that. Totally our body is made by the skeleton, and skeleton help us to stay stand, can help us move, run. Clear? If your suppose that some part of any person is damaged or his bone is broken, so he or she is not able to run. So this is very important organ is the bone. And the next is that the reproductive system. As you have seen in animals, they are laying eggs. So similarly the human being also laying the new ones. Clear? So in male and female we have different reproductive organs. Clear? Next is that the excretory system help the body to get rid of waste, and kidney, skin and main organs. Excretory system are some important system, clear, which remove the wastage after digestion in our body. Clear? So kidney and skin are the main respiratory system organs are there. Clear?